What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my very first Glossybox unboxing video. So for this month, here is how the box looks like. So it looks like this, like that, and here is how the back looks like, of course. Now if you are not sure what a Glossybox is, it is a monthly subscription. You pay €15 every month to receive the box. You can also save a little bit more when you sign up for 3, 6 or 12 months. Now let's go ahead and start unboxing and find out what's inside here. I'm quite excited because this is my very first unboxing. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this and find out what we have. Alright, so we do get what is this, a magazine which looks like this. I believe this tells you what's inside here, and this one it's gold and champagne edition. So that is that. Everything is still sealed, as you can see there. Now I'm going to go ahead and just remove this sticker so we can see what we have. Oh, okay. So first thing we get is this brush. Oh wow, it is a Glossybox 702 tapered blending eye. That's what it's it says. So here is how the brush looks like. It's very nice brush actually, and it feels quite soft. The bristles, they feel very soft. Let's do the test. Do they come off? Nope. Wow, that feels very soft. I think this will be very nice for just to get into the eye there and blend your eyeshadows. It feels very soft. So that is the first product we get. And how much does this one retail for? Let's just get some information here. Oh wow, so this retails for €28.30. Wow. Okay, for one brush, you guys. So with this product we already have our money back. So wow, that's interesting, but it feels very expensive. You can definitely tell straight away when you touch something, just the quality. It feels quite expensive. So yeah, that is the first product we have, and let's move on to the next one. What we have here, we have something from Nutra Lash, and this one is serum for your lashes, which looks like this. So hopefully for people like me who is got baby lashes, this will probably help to glow them. So that's how it looks like. Let's just go ahead and open it. And it comes in this gold packaging. Okay, that's nice. All right, so that is the second product, and this one retails for, let's have a look, this one retails for €29.95 for this product right here. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to trying this because I do have baby lashes, and hopefully this will help with that. And next up we have highlighter and eyeshadow, and this one is from PATRICIA Cosmetics, and it is this product right here. So it's like 2-in-1. Now let's go ahead and open it. So, okay. Wow, I think this will suit my my skin. Look at that. That looks beautiful. That looks pretty. That's a beautiful, like a gold color. Wow, that looks nice. That's a beautiful shade, by the way. Okay, not mad at that. And this one is in the shade Sultry. Should we try some actually? Let's see. Just taking a little bit. Let's see how it's going to. I already have highlighter on, but oh wow, see how much that, wow, that is beautiful. Okay, I like this. Let's just match the other side. Oh, Ooh, this is nice. Okay, okay. I'm getting carried away. You guys, me and highlighters, we are like this. We are friends, me and highlighters. Yeah, there's just something about them that I love. Oh wow, look at my nose now. I am so glowing right now. I like the idea of this, 2-in-1 eyeshadow and highlighter together. This is great. This is a nice product. I'm not mad at this one. How much is this going for? So this is going for 20 euros for this product, and you are getting 3 grams of product, 20 euros. Wow, wow, that is awesome. Shade right there. And next up we get something from Rituals, and this one is their smoothing hand balm, Indian rose and sweet almond oil, which looks like this. Now this is a hand cream, which I need because you guys, I do have like the most driest hands ever. Doesn't matter what season of the year, winter, summer, or whatever, my hands always get so dry. So I always have, always need to have a hand cream with me, otherwise it'll be so ashy. So yeah, let's give this one a try. And it's very thick. Oh, smells nice. Okay, that smells delicious, and it just melts into the skin. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that. It just feels nice and beautiful. I like this one. Wow, my hands will be very happy with this product. I can see them already smiling, so that is good. Yeah, I like the smell. I really like the smell. So yeah, that is nice. And what information do we get on this one? Let's have a look. This one here retails for €9.50. Again, we are getting something from Rituals, and this one is their Sport Ice Shower Gel with organic bamboo and Japanese mint. And this one you are getting 10 ml, and this one is for men. It said at the back here, cooling shower gel. So here's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. And how much does this one retail for? So this one is it's a mini size. So we don't have the price in this magazine. I don't have the price for this one in here, so yeah. But anyway, that is that. On to the last one, we have a shampoo from L'Oreal, and we are getting 300 ml of product in here. So it is a big size product, and that's how that looks like. And let's just give it a quick smell. That smells lovely. That smells nice. So yeah, that was the last product. And this one here, what's the price? This one is of course €2.99. Now that was everything which was in the box. It is of course now empty. Everything has been opened, and I am quite impressed with the selection that I have here, because a lot of these goodies, definitely I can see myself using them and I'll get use of them, so that is quite nice. And I did add up like the value of the box, the product that I received in here, how much they came all together total, minus this, because I did not find how much this one retails for in this magazine, but everything else they come to €90.74. So you are getting your money worth on this box, definitely, for sure, when you compare how much you pay for it and how much the product are worth. So that's a really good value. But anyway, I really enjoyed this unboxing, and it was my first time, and I'm looking forward to for more future unboxing, and I cannot wait to see what the December box brings. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, leave your thoughts down below. What do you think of this month's box? Do you like it? What do you think of the product selections? And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Lots of love. I hope to see you on my next one. Take care and bye for now.